So I'm sitting inside the tent, braving the wind. Let's see how well this goes. Oh snap.
Because I didn't think it was actually a Dunkin' Donuts.
Dang it, Yui.
Little bitch. Should be the one standing at the door watching the fucking clock like this.
Yep. This is what you gotta deal with. You have to wait for Dunkin's to open, just so you can get a coffee. Alright. By noon, it'll be 22 degrees and 27-mile-an-hour winds.
Well, we fished it worse.
Yeah, we have. What do you say? Oh, you said you could drive around it?
You said I might be able to.
Oh, well, yeah. It's not hitting any power lines.
No, we're good. Yeah, we wouldn't have gotten to that.
No.
Sweet! Oh, I was wicked fucking chill.
Because the only other way was to go down that road right there to go around. I was like, oh, we can't get there.
I asked him if he had a strap or something. I'd fucking try giving it a yank. He's like, no. He goes, I was thinking the same thing. Get me the fuck out of here.
Yeah, there's plenty of people here.
Fucking ain't right.
What does it say? Sandwich, faculty, permit required. Yeah, whatever.
I got your fucking permit.
Yeah, resident only, watch that. They're driving on the ice, I think.
No. Get the fuck
right
out.
there too.
I am not driving my truck out. That guy's got some fucking balls.
If you get a good angle, we can watch him sink.
Fucking made it.
All right. We're already out on the lake. I couldn't get any footage, mainly because 30-mile-an-hour winds out here, which the mic is probably picking up. We're setting up a tent. We had an anchor the hell out. Yeah. It's still iffy. I don't trust it. I was thinking maybe we should just not put up a tent and just deal with the wind. Eric is crazy. So, there's our tent. We got it all set corners anchored down as well. That's one of the best things about this Frabill tent. They gave you extra anchors and all sorts of stuff. The string they give you to anchor your tent, throw that stuff out. We're using tie straps. Much easier, much better. All the ice and snow from drilling our holes, we had to sides. It's just so windy that the tent can lift it up. At any time today, this thing could become a sail. And you can see where the ice is cracked. It just, the anchors are in there, but I don't trust it. Right now, we are in Sandwich, New Hampshire, out on Squam Lake. It is the 2019 New Hampshire Ice Fishing Derby. We're on a point where we're looking at the depth charts and it drops down to 50, 70, really close to the shoreline, which is nice, so we're not that far from the shore. We have some outstanding views. We also have some crazies that drove their truck out on the ice. The ice is thick. From like Manchester and below, it's wet. There's no ice. We're way up here by Nagasaki. Was inside the hole before we hit water. Look at that. Tent shaking. It's a sail. That's all it's gonna do. We're gonna be inside the tent jigging, and the tent's just gonna go whoosh, and it's gonna disappear on us. But unlike Moosehead, last video, it's like 18 degrees out right now. I let you know what time it is, but I left my Fitbit at home. Never ever forget. But it's a nice deep shelf. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning. Product review.
Just joining the Ugly Pyre Club with attempting to grow facial hair. Very pleased about that. Alright, so we're about 20 feet from the shoreline. How deep do you think this is going?
Probably about 15, 12, 15 feet or so.
There we go. Brave souls. Brave souls. Driving an SUV out on the lake. Alright, first trap set. It was a lot of work to get these tents set up. Well, not tents. This tent. I'm borderline on freezing and sweating at the same time, which is not good when you're out on the ice. Because if you start sweating, 20 minutes later you're going to be freezing. I'm an idiot and I left my heavy jacket at home because I figured it's going to be in the 30s. It's going to be like summertime out here. But the wind. So I have like 2 hoodies on. One's extra thick, and then I have my rain jacket as a windbreaker. So I'm warm. Eric took off to go get his fishing license. Kind of need that when you're out here. He left his in the truck. So I'm sitting inside the tent, braving the wind. Let's see how well this goes. Oh snap! Oh shit! Yep, that's not good. Fuck me! Ah, fuck! Yeah, buddy. Well, tent just collapsed. Ugh. I have to go check the straps now. one strap. There's two straps. There's anchors. This strap broke off. Wow, man. That was scary as hell. Oh man. Oh, this is gonna be a fun day. Stay tuned. Well, the sun's come out for now. There's been some super gusts. The tent collapsed quasi again. Right now I'm heading back to the truck. I brought my Frabill tent as well, but we didn't bring it to set up. So it's in the truck, so I'm gonna go and grab the anchors out of mine. And we're gonna tie this bitch down. Because the wind shifted direction. So we were digging holes in the ice just to get the wet slush to put it around the apron of the tent and hopes that it would freeze enough so that the wind wouldn't get under the tent and lift it up. And it worked. But we did it in the direction of the wind. Well, the wind shifted direction, the other side of the tent went. That's my story. Oh, the warm sun. But it is beautiful out here on Squam Lake. These are gusts traps that I have set up. Put them up overnight. Because just like the Moosehead video, the cusk bite the trap. They just stay there. They don't try and swim away with the bait. They just sit there and digest. So these are cusk traps, and they just hang on to the fish until the next day. Lazy fish, but man, are they delicious. I can see why people go after them. See, I need a hut like that. Solid wood. None of this setting up a sail in the middle of a lake on a windy day. Steal the truck, just drive out on the ice. Everyone else is doing it. It's thick ice. It'll hold the truck. That way we don't have to walk so far. Dude can dream, right? Alright, it's windy. I don't know how well the microphone's going to pick me up. Like, the wind is pushing me back this way. Head back to the tent. There's a couple guys around the bend here on the other side. And they have the same tent as we do. They're out of the wind. They're smart. Well, they're in shallow water too. We're deeper water, but wind doesn't. So I went back to the truck, got a bunch of anchors from my tent that we left in the cab of the truck just because we weren't going to drag two tents out here. So we're going to anchor everything that we can anchor down on this tent just as some extra support. And hopefully catch some fish too, because we're not fishing, we're catching. And I want to catch a nice lake trout. Love to be on that board in the fishing river. out here. They said it's going to be cloudy, but it's sunny. I'm in the shade right now. As you can see, out there. Best way to go fishing. When you have to settle for gas station sandwiches.
Someone forgot to bring burgers.
It was him. That was me. And you get stuck with wheat bread. I don't know why anybody wants to eat wheat bread, but as I'm eating it, my body's like, I don't want that. It's disgusting. But I'm hungry. No fish yet. Oh. They should feed wheat bread to Al Qaeda. Torture. What do you do with a gas station sandwich? You throw it down the hole. It'd be so awesome if a fish just went after it. That was the most disgusting sandwich I've ever had in my life.
2 hours later.
Nice to meet you, brother. So, you don't tune into this channel to see us catch fish. We don't got stock footage like that Charlie Moore guy. What the heck? too. He probably buys his fish at Market Basket and then tries to turn it in. He'd be the only one catching a branzini.
The next morning.
Day number 2. And all morning, I was going over all the equipment, making sure I had all my stuff, and I knew I was forgetting something. Turns out I did. I forgot the memory card for the camera, so now we're on the GoPro. So we're gonna see how well this works. I think it's only got a 2-hour battery, so it's gonna be limited. Back out on Squam Lake, past that hut right there. That's where we were yesterday. Today we're gonna go past those guys to the right. Trying a new spot and less wind, which is a plus, but it's colder. There you go, kid.
Big old smallie.
Too bad you can't put that on the board.
No,
Smoky tent, stinky farts, catching fish. I've been informed I've taken a nap.
we got it.
It was a lull. It means nap. I'm justified. I'm justified. Grumpy old man. That's who I am. I want a recliner. I want music. I want wood paneling.
Wood paneling.
I want naughty wood paneling in my trap house. That's what I want. How much does Travis owe you now?
I believe that would be $1.
There you go, buddy. Woo! What a glorious sunset. And there's our Chickapee. He's not American. European. Back to the sunset. That truck right there. The last one's out. We're all packed up. We're done. That Bob house, no one's been in it all weekend. Is it good?
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Man. Good day. There's no fish under the ice. Another chapter in a fishing expedition gone wrong.
Oh.
Could have gone better.
Could have gone better, could have gone worse.
Last one's off the ice. Caught fish. Today was a day of catching, not fishing. We didn't make the board, but we caught bass, we caught cusk, and we caught a buzz. I'll take that any day.